Where will my visa be processed? And so it, a lot of people ask this question because they're trying to figure out and plan ahead for, where they should go for an interview. And so, as a general rule, the interview and the application is done in the country where you reside. And so, or you have citizenship at the very least. And so if it's, if it's in India, you'll go to the, U.S., one of the U.S. consulates that's, closest to you. And then sometimes, there might be some cases of, countries that, that for whatever reason the U.S. Embassy is closed, or there's no, U.S. Embassy in that particular country. Like, for example, there's a small country in the Polynesian islands called the Kingdom of Tonga, and so they don't have an actual embassy on site because it's a relatively, it's a smaller island, but the closest embassy would be in Suva in Fiji. And so there will always be an embassy that's close by, if not in the same country, in an adjacent country. And a lot of times this happens with small countries, or countries that are at war, or there's issues there. And so that's where your visa typically gets processed. Thank you for watching.